Now, I just love a 4Runner, but we're going to talk about a RAV4 and a 4Runner. Of course, this is my favorite car. I do own a RAV4. This is my fourth RAV4, or maybe my third. I've lost count. And also, I do drive a 4Runner TRD Pro. But which one is better? Which one is my favorite? Well, let's talk about it. The most important thing about this car is the color. Underground color, that is, for the 4Runner. Silver, gray, these are the best colors to have on a car. Yes, this is the F250, but it is the best color to have on a car. I absolutely adore this color, the silver, the gray, the underground colors. They're absolutely my favorite. But we're not here to talk about the favorite color of the car. We're here to talk about one of the cars that I drive. Now, I have access to a RAV4 2024, and I also have access to a 4Runner 2024. Now, I drive them both, but at the end of this video, I will tell you which one is my favorite. Now, I just love the color gray. It is wonder my favorite colors to have, inside and out. But let's talk about this RAV4, which is absolutely one of my favorites. Now, the one thing I like about this RAV4 is that you can open up the back of your car with the press of a little button. I absolutely love that. And then another thing, the same thing with the 4Runner TRD Pro, you can keep your steering wheel nice and heated. But one of the things that I don't like about the RAV4 is the seats. They're not really comfortable. They have a little bit of fabric on them. So it's not easy to clean. Yes, you can upgrade and get you leather seats, but I am talking about this RAV4 2024 XLE. It's not my favorite because I would prefer to drive the 4Runner because the seats are so nice and cushy and warm. I feel like I'm a captain when I'm in the 4Runner, but here it's quite simple. It is really good on the gas. So if you just want to hit like your community, the RAV4 works well. There are different buttons to start the engine. There's things to make the seat nice and warm. I like that. The same thing that you have on a TRD Pro 4Runner. They're very similar, but there are a few things that are quite different. I like this screen. It's cool. You can have like your different movies, your different favorite stations. My favorite station, just so you know, is FM 99.5. My favorite station. I listen to it all day long, including at the nighttime. But back to the RAV4. I do like the RAV4. It's like really nice. It's clean inside. I mean, there's so many options. I just love the car, but the seat is my least favorite. But let's continue to talk about the car. The one thing I don't have is a camera in front. But this right here, this is so much better than a TRD Pro. Like, I just want to be able to get inside the car and close the top. This one is so easy. RAV4, you did a good job. But when it comes to the TRD Pro, not so easy. And it causes a lot of marks. I will show you that later. But in the meantime, I like it because the mats are plastic, just like the TRD Pro. Everything is kind of inside, tucked away. I've never had to use this. But anyway, I really like the RAV4. This is my favorite car. If I just want to hit the community streets, run to a few stores, this is going to be the car for me. And I love the color. And it has room in the back seats. I do not like the seats. I wish there was a little bit more cushion. If you waste things on them, you kind of have to clean it up. Also, the mats are pretty much the same in the TRD Pro. You just take out the dust, unclip it, and there you go. So I really do like the car. The car is meant for the beach. The 4Runner is meant for the beach. The RAV4 is meant for the beach. Both of them are meant for road trips. It just depends on if you want a lot of room, you go with the TRD Pro. They have some of the same features, open up the door, the lights. Of course, this car comes with the sunroof, just like the TRD Pro. I just absolutely love the car if you just want to hit the streets and be incognito and not burn a lot of gas. Yes, this is regular gas. The TRD Pro, it takes that expensive gas. I believe it's like 91. I'm not for sure, but yeah, it takes that expensive gas. But like I say, this is my favorite thing about the RAV4 is that the top closes really simple and there are no marks left on it, which the TRD Pro, I'm always cleaning up those marks. It doesn't close as easily as this or open, but this one, I like the RAV4 when it comes to like, hey, I want to protect my stuff in the back, and it just closes without like a struggle. Now this is the 4Runner. It is a struggle to close this, and then it doesn't flap so well, and then it gets marks up there in that little department, and I don't like that. So when I'm driving the TRD Pro to close the back, it's not as easy as the 4Runner. I mean, not the 4Runner, the RAV4. So I like both cars. The best car that I like, I just love a Toyota. This is my third RAV4. This is my first 4Runner. I just believe Toyota is a good car. As you can see in the 4Runner, look at the seats. They're nice and cushy. Look at them. They're so fun to ride in these seats. You just feel like you are the captain of a beautiful yacht. You feel like you're on your private airplane. The seats are such a TRD Pro benefit. This is why I love driving the 4Runner. So 4Runner has the best sound system in the best seats. This is why I love the 4Runner. This is my favorite car. It is not my car. I'm responsible to keep it washed inside and out and make sure the car has a full tank of gas. That's it. So if I had a dream car, every day I would say a 4Runner TRD Pro, not off-road, not the little small version SR5, not the limited, TRD Pro underground color. This is my dream car. Yes. If I had a choice to drive the RAV4 or a TRD Pro, you already know the answer. I'm going with the 4Runner. I am going with the 4Runner 5th generation. Yes, if I had an option to like purchase a 6th generation, I don't know. Look at the seats. They're so much better than the RAV4. But the gas is good on the RAV4. But the TRD Pro, it lives up to its name. If you're thinking about getting a RAV4 or a TRD Pro, go get your 4Runner today. Look at this, TRD. It stands for what it's about. It's a Toyota, the best car to have. I've had a Ford, and I'm going to tell you, I'm not with the Ford. Bye-bye Expositions. I'm over it. But when it comes to a Toyota, they're great cars. The Camry. Thank you for letting me share, and have a great day. And go get you a 4Runner. Go get you a RAV4. Go get you a ride. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your kindness. I'll see you next time.